Hello guys, to cook the potato gateau with ragu, first of all you need to start with the ragu. So in a pot I put 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 clove of garlic, a small onion chopped, 200 grams of minced pork meat, 500 grams of tomato sauce, half teaspoon of salt, a pinch of nutmeg, and 1 tablespoon of celery. When the ragu will be ready, you need to add 200 grams of green peas already cooked. I will use the one that you find in the can. For the gateau, you need 1 kilogram of potato, they are already boiling, and if you come close, I'll show you the other ingredients. A pinch of pepper, a pinch of nutmeg, 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, 80 grams of cheese, 80 grams of butter, 2 eggs, and half teaspoon of salt. Sorry, I forgot to mention that in the ragu I have also used half glass of wine. Now we should wait at least 30-40 minutes that the potato are cooked. After we peel them, we smash them, and we add the other ingredient, but I'll show you later. Okay, our potatoes are ready. Now we take a baking pot, we oil with the butter, breadcrumbs, potato, ragu, cheese, potato, breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, little bit of butter, and we put in the oven preheated at 180 Celsius degree, and we will cook 30-35 minutes, but I will tell you the right amount of time later. After 37 minutes at 180 Celsius degree, our gâteau is ready. Let's taste it. Mamma mia, spectacular. Outside, on the top, is little bit crunchy, inside very soft, with the cheese, spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch all the other videos, to share this video with your friends, and for any suggestion, any question, down in the comments. Bye bye!